At Hyundai, we don't just make cars, we make beings with spirit. So, what's the all-new Hyundai TUCSON's spirit? The answer? It's the dynamic SUV. When we started designing this SUV, we followed our global design philosophy of sensuous sportiness, creating progressive design elements through geometric algorithms, a process we call parametric dynamism. Welcome to a new era of light design that is truly distinctive. Seamlessly integrated into the parametric jewel grille, the hidden LED DRLs are completely invisible when turned off. The connecting LED tail lamps seamlessly carry the parametric theme with unique light details. Even the wheels on this dynamic SUV are a sight to behold. Based on the design theme of interspace, where space, technology and information organically intersect, the interiors flow freely across the cabin in the all-new Hyundai TUCSON. Experience a feeling of harmony and luxury with a design that cascades naturally from the dashboard to the front and rear doors. The premium black and light grey dual-tone interiors lend a luxurious and airy feel to the cabin. Stay pleasantly cool without feeling cold with multi-air mode. The all-new Hyundai TUCSON offers superior comfort all the way. Power-adjustable front seats with heated and ventilated functions make every drive a breeze. The all-new Hyundai TUCSON's long wheelbase makes room for an elegant, spacious cabin. Experience lounge-like comfort with second-row seats that offer reclining and folding flexibility. Need more space? Simply use the walk-in function switch to open up more legroom. Along with luxurious space for people, the all-new Hyundai TUCSON offers ample space for luggage, which can be further expanded. Too much in your hands? The hands-free smart power tailgate with height adjustment gives you easy access to the boot. The all-new Hyundai TUCSON evokes confidence with Level 2 advanced driver assistance system to keep you safe. The dynamic SUV is also intuitive thanks to Hyundai Smart Sense. It offers 360-degree protection with 19 Level 2 ADAS features that cover driving safety, driving convenience and parking convenience, making the all-new Hyundai TUCSON a remarkably safe drive. The powerful and advanced all-new Hyundai TUCSON is future-ready and delivers an exhilarating driving experience. Its RDE-compliant petrol and diesel engines make every drive thrilling. Multiple drive modes and terrain modes ensure that the all-new Hyundai TUCSON reigns supreme on every track. Iconic by design, dynamic by nature, the all-new Hyundai TUCSON. Next drives now.